Hello folks, welcome to the new video of FingerTips. Most of the time we are on our phones consuming content from apps like YouTube, WhatsApp, Instagram, Netflix and many more. Do you know that these apps work on clouds? Also, it is cloud computing that allows you to work from any screen at any time and access your data without your system. All you need to do is get a subscription to cloud computers like Microsoft and Google and have a good internet connection. Yes, it's possible. This, my friend, is the magic of cloud computing. Let's understand this with an interesting example. Suppose you have started a company that is introducing new virtual games. You then hire engineers for game encoding and marketers for marketing the product. These employees used to work on a specific computer system and store the file there. Now your business is scaling and the number of employees is increasing. What do you think you'll do? I bet you'll now purchase new systems, external hardware and etc. But the expenses and maintenance of such external devices are very time consuming. This becomes complicated for you and even for your company. Now, here comes your friend Ben. He brings an amazing and interesting solution for you. He introduces a service that stores data for you and manages its maintenance and security. It also allows you to process the data. That is, you can work on your data and update it for a nominal fee. You realize this makes your work so much easier and thank him. The service that your friend Ben introduces to you is nothing but cloud computing. Cloud computing is using systems to help computers store, manage and process the information. The system stores the data on the cloud, that is on the internet, instead of the local computer and lets you work with it. The term cloud computing has two words, that is cloud and computing. Cloud basically means internet and computing means infrastructures and systems. Now, let's see what benefits your new startup will experience with the introduction of cloud computing in your business. The number one benefit is flexibility. Gone are the days when everyone worked from 9 to 5 to get the work done. Even the work from home concept is everywhere in the world. Employees love flexibility and freedom. And with cloud computing, you can access the system from any location. Apart from this, you can select from computing offers like public cloud, private cloud, and hybrid cloud. In the public cloud, the data is open and shared across various organizations, while the private cloud means sharing the data only with your organization. And in hybrid cloud option, it gives you an opportunity of using both public and private cloud. The second benefit that you get is increased productivity. All the software applications that your company gets are updated so that your engineers and marketers and even other employees can enjoy the latest features of the software without the headache of its maintenance. It's amazing, right? Now, the third benefit is opportunity for collaboration. In public or hybrid cloud services, individuals from different places get the opportunity to collaborate without actually meeting in person. The fourth benefit is cost reduction. After using a cloud computing service, you are no longer required to spend huge resources on purchasing and maintaining the storage equipment. Also, you won't be required to hire and pay the huge tech team for such system maintenance. The last but very important benefit is data security. Not only your, but every business is prone to various cyber crimes, and they all take precautions like cyber security. But the cloud offers many advanced security features that guarantee to protect the data from such cyber crimes. Also, if you want to learn more about cybersecurity, click the link in our description to watch the complete video. Do you know that the distributor of such services are called cloud providers? There are various cloud providers like AWS, that is Amazon Web Services, GCP, standing for Google Cloud Platform, Microsoft Azure, and hundreds of more. Now, coming to the most important part of this video, that is scope of cloud computing. There are various job positions in the field with handsome salaries. Let's see some of them. The first is Cloud Administrator, and the average salary for this position is Rs 7 lakh per annum. Next is Cloud Application Developer, and the average salary for this position is Rs 8 lakh. Another interesting profile is Cloud Security Manager. The average salary of a Cloud Security Manager is Rs 12 lakh per annum. Now, various other job profile in this field are Cloud Network Engineer, Cloud Automation Engineer, Cloud Engineer, Cloud Architect, and much more. With this, we have reached the end of this video. Hope this video was informational for you. For more such content on the latest trending technology, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Till then, happy learning!